Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade cream caramel full guide. Preheat oven to 325 degrees F and set up a water bath to bake gently. Gather milk, cream, eggs, sugar, and vanilla and measure caramel ingredients precisely. Practice gentle whisking and strain custard for smooth texture. I'll guide timing for caramel color, oven time, and cooling so your custard sets perfectly and unmolds cleanly. Warm and conversational. Make a deep amber caramel by watching sugar carefully and working quickly when pouring into ramekins. Whisk eggs and sugar lightly to avoid foam, then slowly temper in warm milk and cream to prevent curdling. Strain the custard to remove air and create a glossy texture. Fill ramekins, cover if needed, and place in a water bath to maintain even oven temperature and prevent cracks. Bake the custards gently in a water bath to ensure even cooking. Look for a slight wobble in the center but no liquid. Remove from oven and cool to room temperature before chilling thoroughly, ideally at least 4 hours, to let the custard set and flavors meld. For unmolding, loosen edges with a thin knife, invert over a plate, and give a tap if needed. Serve chilled for silky, creamy texture and clean caramel shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.